Hi there, are you thinking of giving your Shopify store a fresh new look in this summer? Well, good news is Shopify just released a brand new theme called Horizons. It's seriously awesome. It's clean, modern, and perfect for stores that relies on visuals like beauty, fashions, and home decor. And the best part is we're going to set that together so you can start using this right away.
And hi there, I'm Sarah from NestScale. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to install and set up the Horizon themes on your Shopify store. Then I'll walk you through how to replay boring drop-down menus with visual clickable color swatches by using the free NSColor swatch variant images. And stick to the end because I also share some bonus tips to make your store stand out and boost conversions. So now, let's get started. First, head over to Google and search for Shopify themes. Click official Shopify theme link. In the top right corners, click Browse Themes and select Horizon theme. Horizon themes actually contains 10 freestyle variations. You got a plenty of designs to choose from. Here's a quick tip to distinguish between horizons and dawn themes. Horizon versions start with 210s, and for dawn usually say versions 15s, 40s. When you find a style you like, click Try Themes and add it to your store. So now back in your Shopify admin, go to Online Store. So now click Themes. Find the horizon theme you just added and click customize. That's going to open up the theme editions so you can start making change. Horizon still has the familiar headers, template, and footers sections you used to from Dawn's. But there's a difference. Instead of banner section, you got the hero sections. And inside each section, you see box, and in horizons this block have way more customization options compared to Dawn, which called global block. And now let's click on the hero section. Now in Dawn's you could only add an image banners, but in horizons you got options. First you can upload video banners, that's pretty cool, or you can use AI generate an image banner for you, or you can ask, your own image banners at yours. So now let's try it. First, I upload my own videos and this look great. Now I test the AI image generators by typing in a prompt and just like that is create a banner for me. Horizons AI isn't just for image. It can help with text too. For example, under collection title, click on text block and choose the AI options. And I can ask it to generate a headline for my new collections. Then I can trace the suggestion to match my brain voice. And this one of my favorite upgrades. In Dawn, you could only add box, but in Horizon, you can actually add subblocks. Inside a box, that means more design flexibility. So, for example, like under my collection titles, I can add extra text, buttons, or even icons, all nested under the same main block. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. and your store will now utilize the horizon themes, fresh, modern, and super customizables. Now, one last thing, even though horizons is a big step, by default color swatches are still pretty plain. If you want your store to really stand out and make shopping easier for customers, you can upgrade to customizable swatches. Ones with dark image, hovering effect, and or different shape. Better swatches means a smoother shopping experience, and that can lead smart sales. Next, let's dive into the next step, customizing color swatches in your Shopify Horizon theme using the free NS Color Swatch Variant Images app. Step number one, set up the NSColor Swatch variant images. First, let's install and activate the app. Head over the Shopify App Store, search for NSColor Swatch variant images. Then click install. Once it's added, open the app from Shopify admin and follow the quick get started instructions, then click embedded app. You're redirected to the Shopify theme edition. Simply toggle on a switch next to the app name and hit save. Just like that, your app is live and ready to go. Step number two, display color swatches on your storefront. Now let's display your swatches on product and collection page. From the app's welcome screen, click choose swatches style or go directly to option configurations from the sidebar. By default, the app sees your latest hundreds products. If your product isn't listed, click Add Product option to find it manually. Next, toggle on the option label display style on product page for the variants you want to turn into swatches. Remember, enable the second toggle below it to also display swatches on your collection page. Here, see the drop down to select swatch shapes. Choose from square, circle, or bill. Style includes your live review. I will with circular swatch, clean and minimal. So now choose how to present your variants visuals. First, you can use your existing Shopify variant images, or if you choose the option to click edit swatch to assign visuals. In the pop-up, assign colors or image to each variants. Just make sure each swatch match the correct variant name. Once you're finished, click done, then hit save. So now we go to the step number three, customize the design of your swatches. Let give your swatches some style and match your store branding. First, from the app menus, go to your design settings. Here see through separate sections, one for product page, one for collection page. You can style both sustain or keep a unique look. So now you'll see five customization categories, general settings, image setting, selected swatch, unselected swatch, and hover swatch. So if you want to know detail about these categories, just hit comment below and I will make a videos about it. Once everything looks great, click save to apply your design update. And finally, let me show you a couple of awesome features in the latest versions of the app that can really helpful if you have a large product range or sell bundles. First up, quick view. When you click a swatch, it instantly displays the correct image on the product page. This feature saves time and really enhances the shopping experience, especially for mobile users or a store with a lot of products. Second, variant images. For example, let's say you have a product like the Glossy Pink Lip Gloss Lip Liner Set. When you click on the nude pink variant, only the item included in that exact combo are shown. This helps reduce customer confusion and boost conversions by improving the overall experience. If you want a full tutorial on setting up these premium features, just drop a comment below and I'll happy to walk you through it. Alright, in this video, we learned how to set up Shopify Horizon themes and customize your store design with interactive color swatches by using the NS Color Swatches variant images. And if you're serious about upgrading your storefronts, I highly recommend you check out our other videos on combined listing, where we show you how to group similar products into one listing. It's game changers for SEO and product organizations. Click the video in the top corners or check the description below. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to keep the thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comment below if you have questions and ideas for our next video. And I'll see you for the next one.